Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use task priorities into Todoist. Todoist is a task management and productivity tool that helps you organize your work and daily life in one place. It allows you to create tasks, set due dates, assign priorities and plan projects easily. Todoist is popular because of its clean design and simple system that help users focus on what matters the most. And one of the most useful features in Todoist is the task priority, which helps you decide which tasks are urgent and which can wait. So on the top there's a search bar. Simply type in the search bar and type down todoist.com and enter it, and also make sure to log into your Todoist account if you already have not so. So Todoist uses 4 priority levels shown by the colors and the label. You can select to this click or add task over here. You can type down the task name and you can select add task. You can also set the priority over here just beside the date that says priority 1, priority 2, priority 3 or priority 4. In priority 1 it is very important, urgent red, and in the priority 2 it's very important in the orange, and on the priority 3 there's a medium importance which is on blue the font, and the fourth is the low importance default gray. So after that you can simply set any of the priority add task, and that is it. While typing the task you can use the same priority 1, priority 2 and finish the report. And Todoist automatically set it as the high priority, and that is it. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.